this, keyboard cases. Will they fit my Seeds V2020 and that Hewlett-Packard over there? Well, we will find out. Well, that's if I don't have to wash the cases. And yes, you're hearing that right. Wash the cases. Because sometimes some of these cases, they come rather dirty and dusty looking. So I have to wash them. And if that's an unusual concept to you, it honestly should not be. Because really, when you read complaints of people saying that, oh, sometimes they smell weird or they arrive dirty, well, guess what? In many cases, you can actually wash them. Case in point, take this Geek Rhea here. Now, because this is supposed to house something that's supposed to go in your ears, you don't want to be storing your equipment in a dirty case. So, as you can see for yourself, there's no discoloration or anything like that. The zippers haven't rusted or eroded or anything like that. It's just common sense. Just wash it with a mild detergent. I should say hand wash it too. Let it dry properly and it should be fine. And the most recent thing that I've rinsed would be this lacquer dough. In fact, I rinsed this as recently as January 2021. When in January 2021? Well, you'll have to see the Amazon video to find out when. And yeah, no discoloration. See the brand name just fine. Or did I say lacquer dough? Okay, it's lacquer dough. The zippers, they're also okay. No discoloration or anything like that. So, yes. If your case arrives dirty or weird or whatever, wash it. If you didn't know that you can wash it, well, now you know. Well, I can't say that for every single brand out there, but so far for the two brands that I have washed, which were the Geek Rhea which was the Geek Rhea that I just showed you, and the Lacto, yeah, they do just fine. Okay, you know, I think I could honestly just probably tear with my bare hands. So, Actually, no, you know, I'm gonna need this again. Just go like this. Why is this thing so sticky? Ew! Okay, I think I was cutting into the case while I was doing that as well. Okay. Sounds hollow. Warning: to avoid danger of suffocation, keep away from babies and children. Do not use in cribs, beds, or playpens. This is not a toy. Well, of course it's not a toy. It's for housing serious business. Now, I think one of the attractive things about this maker is that they said that it's not supposed to have a weird smell because they're aware that some of these brands, when they ship out these cases or whatever, they smell weird and all. But for this one, I can say that I'm quite impressed that, for one, it doesn't look dirty. You can see, you don't see no dirt spots or whatever. And yeah, they're right. It really actually didn't smell weird. So kudos to LTGEM. Okay, I thought it was LGEM or something, but no, they can't call themselves LG because there's already a company with that name. And they have it obviously copyrighted. And now we look inside of it. It is grey. This is a pretty big ridge, and that's kind of problematic, because for that reason, I don't think I'm going to get to keep any keyboards in here. No, I'm not going to get to keep any mechanical keyboards, actually. I didn't anticipate this to be so big. Yikes. Well, let me put this aside for now, and just open the other one. I'm going to do a test. But yeah, I don't like the way that looks, because I think the only thing I'm probably going to be able to fit inside of it is maybe going to be just my Dell keyboard. And that's probably about it. I have to get a sleeve for my bigger keyboard, so I'll see how that goes. Store this off to the side. And for this one, the end looks nice and clean, doesn't look dirty, doesn't smell weird either. And no, it doesn't have any weird smells either, so that's good. You can see the brand name here. But yeah, I really don't know why they had to add this, because this is just gonna get right into the thick keys and mechanical keyboards like this Sage V2020 here. So I'm gonna slide this in. Yeah. There's already quite a bit of resistance. It does not fit. Nope. Honestly, I didn't really think it was going to fit anyway because this keyboard is gigantic. And yeah, it's gigantic. Here, let me show you if I'm just like that. Here. No, it doesn't fit at all. And even if it could, this would be problematic. So the Sage V2020 is completely out. Now, one I could test would be the Hewlett Packard. Let's see if that will fit. No, that part of it is too sharp. Nope, it doesn't fit either. Darn, did I waste my money? Wow. Seriously, guys, this is not good. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I can get it to fit. Like that. Oh. Right, maybe I can. But then it won't completely close. I mean, that awkward part of it sticking out like that, and I'm not sure if I can force it, or if I should even do that. I mean, yeah, I guess in a pinch it could theoretically work, but I don't know if this would be good for it in the long term. Are the keys pinched when I do that though? That's the thing. Well, actually no, they're not, because right now I do have it connected to my computer and I don't see any symbols or whatever popping up, so the keys are not pinched. That's good. I mean, it also helps that I put it up like this rather than have the keys against that, so that's probably that. But now if there's another one I should test, I guess it should be my Dell 636. Okay, so I have my Dell 636 here. This one I predict should fit perfectly. Actually, even it too seems too big for it. Man, I tell you, man, I tell you. LOL. Well, didn't fit that way. Should hopefully fit this way. So the Dell 636 fits okay. If there's another keyboard that I think would fit perfectly fine, it should be my Jellycomb. I don't know the numeric model off the top of my head, but I can show you if you are willing to stick around. So make sure your attention span is nice. Actually, then again, if you do not have a long attention span, you should not be on this channel in the first place anyways, because you will find yourself just not being able to handle it. So you just will not. You must have a long attention span, because these videos at times can be long like a reticulated python. So you better make sure that you're an attentive person. This is not for the unattentive peoples. Actually, do I really need to test my Jellycomb on camera? Yeah, I guess I probably should. Yeah, I know, I have a lot of mice. I'm a bit of a mice nerd. I highly predict that this is gonna fit. I don't know, it's also pretty long too, so actually yeah, it looks like it's gonna fit. If that Dell 636 could fit, I'm almost certain that this is gonna fit. I have a very good... Oh, look at that! Wow. And it's not even partially sticking out into the edges like that. So, yeah, I think this actually fit beautifully. And it did! Just like that. So, yes, it's a shame that my Hewlett Packard here does not fit because it's too sharp-edged. This one is just simply too bulky, but that's exactly what I like it for, to be honest, because it sounds so darn good. Here, let me... Which keyboard on the market sounds like that? Tell me. Or I should say, which wireless keyboard with a removable battery sounds this good and looks this good? Which one? Go ahead. Type in the comments if you know of any wireless keyboards with a removable battery that sounds and looks this good, because you would be hard pressed to find a keyboard just like that. If you turn it on here, you can see the exact name of it, the model, the voltage, the company, and all that. So, my Jellycomb fits, the Dell fits. It's the same as the other ones don't, so I'm just gonna have to. Well, actually, I think there is a website that does custom make them. I believe it was. Actually, I do not know. So never mind, I could not tell you, but it was one of them. I'll just have to look around. Maybe send the dimensions to that website and get a custom-made case. Or better yet, maybe I might just get a tote from it. But then again, I tried to look into that, and it's like, which tote would fit them? I mean, I'll just look into this sleeve. Either way, I will have links to these products below, and I don't know if I will link the keyboards. Maybe I should link for the ones that are actually available on Amazon, like this one, for instance. Maybe I might link some of the mice if they're also available. But, actually, wait, I know which one for sure was available. This Jellycomb is available because I got it exactly off of Amazon. So I could link that if you're interested. Should I actually keep it in here, or should I just put it back in its box? I guess I will probably actually give the box to my keyboards without protection. So yeah, I think that sounds like a good idea. You know the drill. The links will be below for Amazon Canada and for your locale. Copy the name, paste it into your locale, and you should find them and have a good time shopping and supporting this channel. Out.